날씨가 좋네. 파이팅!
We are artists.
And we are drinking coffee while walking.
Usually this is the daily routine of artists. So first it's just, morning stroll while, drinking coffee. And then we're gonna go to our Yomsukwan, which is in English, it's what?
It's what?
Practice room.
So I like this spot right away.
Yeah, it looks like that's so cool. So this is how artists are. Very random. Crazy, random. And also order and
I made Sogo and Jangu. For today's practice, I'm going to do Sogo. Oh, good luck to me and good luck to my twins. Fighting! So, we're going to room 204. Yeah! Fighting Sogo team! For today, I'm part of Sogo team.
2, 3, go! 1, 2, yan tayo!
Wow! Dinner time. 잘 먹겠습니다.
One, two, three, four.
Later. The next day.
You. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. 감사합니다. Good morning everyone. Another practice day. 생일 축하합니다.
A few moments later. Tomorrow.
And some. Good morning.
다들 해피해. 왜 다리가 두번 이렇게 쓰고 시작.
Pull us.
push. They super out. 그러면 signal. Already in line, but they 60 degree, right? 그러면 30, 60 degree.
A few moments later.
Lunch time. Wow. 카레. 나무찜, 수육, 김치, and my 제일 좋아하는 야채 콩나물. 잘 먹겠습니다. And my lunch sweetly.
A few moments later.
와우, 경치가 좋네. 아름다워요.
조셉, 좋아 조셉, 좋아 조셉.
세상 좋아 세상 좋아 세상
좋아요.
와, 치킨. Recording.
Wait, pwede ba?
Excited sa chicken.
Chicken, 좋아지게, 좋아지게, 좋아요.
Ang ganda naman ng tagakuha ng yelo.
Pagkatapos na.
Hindi kang makain. Okay lang. Pero parang gusto ko yun.
Para may